What secrets does Area 51 truly hold? A question that has intrigued, baffled, and even terrified people for decades. Nestled in the remote reaches of Nevada, Area 51 is a symbol of mystery and speculation. Its secretive nature and the US government's tight-lipped stance have only fueled the public's fascination. From alleged extraterrestrial sightings to purported advanced technology, the conjectures are as boundless as the universe itself. Dive with us into the depths of the unknown as we explore the enigma that is Area 51. Area 51, officially a US Air Force facility, was established during the Cold War. Nestled in the remote expanses of the Nevada desert, its isolated location shrouded in secrecy, this enigmatic site has long intrigued and baffled the world. But what was its original purpose, you ask? The US government states that Area 51 was created as a testing site for advanced aircraft and weapons systems. It was a time of international tension and espionage, when the world's superpowers were locked in a technological arms race. The remote location offered an ideal ground for top-secret operations, away from prying eyes. And so, amidst the sand and sagebrush, the US Air Force set about developing cutting-edge technology. From stealth bombers to unmanned drones, the skies above Area 51 have seen some of the most advanced aircraft in history. Despite its official purpose, many believe Area 51 harbors secrets far beyond advanced aircraft. What could these secrets be? The theories are as vast as the desert surrounding the facility itself. The veil of secrecy surrounding Area 51 has given rise to a multitude of conspiracy theories. One of the most pervasive theories is about the existence of extraterrestrial technology within the recesses of this clandestine base. Proponents of this theory argue that the US government has been reverse engineering alien tech for decades, using the knowledge to make significant leaps in our own technology. This idea was fueled by the account of Bob Lazar, a man who claimed to have worked at a site near Area 51 in the late 1980s. Lazar described working on flying saucers of extraterrestrial origin, asserting that there were 9 different spacecraft stored at the site. His claims, though contentious and largely unverified, have intensified the allure of Area 51 for many. Another theory suggests that Area 51 is the epicenter of UFO sightings. In 1955, an aircraft known as the U-2 was tested in Area 51. Its high-altitude flights were not publicly acknowledged, leading to a surge in UFO reports. This correlation between the U-2 test flights and UFO sightings has been confirmed by declassified CIA documents, adding a layer of credibility to the theory. There's also the belief that Area 51 is a hub for clandestine meetings with extraterrestrials. This theory is supported by former Canadian Minister of Defense, Paul Hellyer, who claimed that the US government has been in contact with at least 4 different alien species since the 1960s. These allegations, while compelling, remain unsubstantiated. Lastly, there's the theory that Area 51 is a site for developing weather control technology. Some theorists propose that the base is used to manipulate climate patterns, pointing to unusual weather phenomena around the area as evidence. However, like most theories surrounding Area 51, this too lacks verifiable proof. These theories, while unproven, continue to fuel the mystery of Area 51. The enigmatic nature of the base, coupled with the US government's reticence, only serves to deepen the intrigue, keeping Area 51 a hotbed for speculation and wonder. After all, in the absence of transparency, the human mind is left to wander into the realm of the extraordinary. From Hollywood blockbusters to internet memes, Area 51 has found its place in popular culture. This once obscure military base has become a symbol of the unknown, a playground for the imagination. In film and television, Area 51 is often depicted as the epicenter of extraterrestrial activity, a place where the line between science fiction and purported reality blurs. Movies like Independence Day and TV series such as The X-Files have further fueled our fascination with this mysterious site. But the cultural influence of Area 51 doesn't stop at the silver screen. It has inspired music, literature, and even a tongue-in-cheek Facebook event that went viral, known as Storm Area 51. This event, planned as a mock raid, captured the public imagination, becoming a cultural phenomenon. The intrigue surrounding Area 51 has permeated our collective consciousness, shaping the way we perceive the unknown. Area 51's cultural impact is undeniable, further entrenching its enigmatic status. The allure of Area 51 lies in its enduring mystery. This clandestine base, nestled in the Nevada desert, has been a lodestar for conspiracy theorists for over half a century. Its impenetrable veil of secrecy has fueled a myriad of theories, from extraterrestrial encounters to advanced technology testing. This enigma, embedded in our collective consciousness, continues to captivate us, challenging our perceptions of what's possible. Will the full truth about Area 51 ever be revealed? The world continues to wonder.